You see those sleek boxes all over social media, and for a second, you think you have finally found a way to cheat the system. 4 full-size prestige beauty products for $30. It sounds like a literal steal. You see the names of the brands, the ones created by major pop stars, or the famous hair care gurus who promise to fix your split ends forever. But when you look closer, that $30 price tag starts to crumble. The marketing is brilliant, but the math is messy. To get that price, you have to buy into a membership. Suddenly, your $30 treat is actually a $60 monthly commitment. It is an auto-renewing cycle that feels more like a trap than a gift to yourself. You think you are saving, but the hidden fees say otherwise. Then comes the promise of customization. They tell you that you are in control. You get to handpick your items. Or so they say. But here is the catch. The window to choose opens, and the feeding frenzy begins. If you are not hovering over your keyboard at the exact second the clock strikes, the best items are gone. They vanish in an instant. Instead of that luxury blush you wanted, you are stuck with a random foot cream or a shade of lipstick that does not suit you at all. The system just fills in the gaps, and you are left with the leftovers. It is not a curated experience. It is a digital scramble. And then there is the long wait. You get a tracking number that seems to lead nowhere. They use third-party shipping companies that take the scenic route across the country. Your box might sit in a warehouse for a week, and then move 5 miles the next. When you try to find out where it is, the silence is deafening. Customer service takes days to get back to you. The anticipation turns into frustration. When the box finally lands on your porch, the struggle is not over. There are stories of boxes arriving with missing items, or products that are broken. You might find a shade of foundation that looks like orange paint on your skin. Or maybe you find an ingredient that triggers a skin reaction. The excitement of the unboxing is replaced by the core of filing a complaint. You have to take photos, send more emails, and wait even longer for a resolution. It is a lot of work for a box of beauty products. You have to weigh the thrill of the bargain against the reality of the hassle. Is it worth the stress? Is it worth the hidden costs? For some, the gamble is part of the fun. But for many, the gap between the flashy ad and the actual experience is just too large to bridge. You are paying for a dream, but you might just end up with a headache and a bill you did not expect. It is a high-stakes game played with your makeup bag. And sometimes, the house is the only one winning. You deserve more than a box of frustrations and broken promises, especially when you are paying a premium for the privilege. Every time you click that subscribe button, you are taking a leap of faith. But when the landing is this bumpy, you have to wonder if it is better to just walk into a store and buy exactly what you need. The allure of the surprise is strong, but the reality of the delivery is a very different story altogether. High-end names do not mean much if the product is the wrong color, or if it never shows up at all. Keep your eyes open, because the world of subscription beauty is rarely as simple as it looks on your screen.